Hi, hello. Today I will actually training to pick a lock. How to pick a lock. well I think you should start by using one of these ones, littles, very small, and you just I don't have the items I use to pick it, but then you start with this one here, these littles. See? Those. Well, when you're become a pro on these ones, you just jump over to another one. Well, those like this, but just bigger, right? Then when you're good at those, you just go over to, those who, those doors, right? And then, then you actually be kind of good when you start with this and working you up to the doors. So, well, yeah, that's it. I was just going to tell